Hello and welcome to another one of Dee's ADD videos. Today we're going to be talking about random variables and probability mass functions. Probability mass function is basically a function that assigns probabilities to discrete quantities. There's a probability for 0, probability for 1, but nothing in between the two. Okay, so the PMF has certain rules. The sum of all the probabilities should equal 1, and all the probabilities should be between 0 and 1. So no negative probabilities, nothing greater than 1. So let's say this is a PMF describing the number of students that can come in my office any given hour, and let's see. So you can find different things. You can, of course, find what the probability of any given number is, right? X equals 1, just look at the table, would be 0.09. And that would be a proportion. If they wanted the percentage, of course, you would just multiply by 100 to get the 9%, right? Probability chance. Let's see, you can be asked at most or at least. So let's say there's a probability that at least 2 students come through. So that would be probability that X is greater than or equal to 2, right? So in this case, the easiest way to do that would just be what? Probability of X equals 2 plus probability of X equals 3. So that would be 0.6 plus 0.3. Alright. Now you might be asked to find the expectation or the mean of these guys. So the expectation has the formula of the summation of x p of x. So in this case it would be zero times 0.01 plus 1 times 0.09 plus 2 times 0.06 and plus 3 times 0.3. So that's 0, that's going to give me 0.09 plus 1.2 plus 0.9. So that would give me a total of 2.19. Right? And that would be the mean, or the expectation. In this case, the mean number of students that came in my office any given hour. You might be asked to find the variance. The variance is basically the measure of spread, how far they deviate from that mean. So the variance has a different formula. The variance is going to be the summation of x squared p of x, and then after you get that, answer, you take your expectation that you found, square it, and subtract it from there. So in this case it would be 0 squared times 0.01 plus 1 squared times 0.09 plus 2 squared times 0.06 plus 3 squared times 0. Oops, that should have been just 0.06. Let me erase that real quick. I caught that mistake before I got too far down. So here we're still going to have 0.09. 4 times that would be 2.4 plus 9 times 0.3 would be 2.7. So that'd be 5.19. But then don't forget, what do we have to do? We have to subtract your 2.19 squared. I need to get my calculator out for that. Unfortunately, there it is. Let's see. Calculator. Using the trusty iPhone calculator. So we have 5.19 minus parentheses 2.19. We're going to square it. Parentheses equals, and we get that is our variance. If you wanted the standard deviation, don't forget the relationship between variance and standard deviation is the square root of variance is the standard deviation. Okay? And that's what a random variable is, and a probability mass function. I hope this helped, give you some concrete numbers. The next one we'll be talking about how to take your random variables that are independent and form a joint probability table from them. Thank you, and have a good day.